Do you want to learn how to make thumbnails like
Ali Abdaal?
get million views and high click-through rate?
This is Ali's thumbnail.
This is my created thumbnail on CapCut PC. I thought about how to make this Ollie star thumbnail. Then I broke down my task into 4 steps. Image size and resolution. Let's see step 1. For icons similar like Ollie, go to flat icon and I collected all the similar icons from here. Search box right camera. Download as a PNG, which is free to use, but you need to give the attribute. Image collection step 2. All the images are collected from pixels.com, which are free to use. All the resources link in description box. Edit on CapCut PC step 3. First open the CapCut new project file, and then go to menu, and click on settings. Go to edit. Turn on the free layer. Save it. Close it. Open a new project. You will see free layer turned on message. Then import all the required files. First bring the background and man's image one by one. Fit into preview. Then man's image. Move it up. Split and delete rest of the part. Select the image and mirror it. Go to video cutout category. Then select auto cutout. This removed the background behind the man's image. Then go to the top left and click on effects. Then go to video effects and lens. Choose blur. Bring this blur above the background. Adjust the length same as all other files. Reduce blur intensity 19. As Ali's background here is little bit blurred and bluish. Need to add filter above the background. Click into filters. Choose movies. Filters 1 day. Click on this filter, add into the timeline. Move it above blur effects. In CapCut there is no hexagon element. I found one sticker, but I am unable to use it, so I used here Canva to make this shape. Made hexagon step 3. Open your Canva account and top right corner. Choose create a design. Scroll down and choose custom size. Enter 512 by 512. Click on create new design. This will open this new page. On the left hand side, click on elements. Then type in hexagon and bring it onto the page. Bring it onto the page and drag it to fit into the page. Select the page and go to background color. Change the page color to green. Select the hexagon and change color to white. Go to top right, select share. Format PNG, download, then save and later import to CapCut. Import the hexagon and bring into timeline. Move it up. Select the hexagon and split and delete rest of the part. Go to right side panel, choose cutout category, then select chroma key. This removed the green color. Increase strength. Go to video and give 30% scale. Drag the hexagon up into preview area. Then bring the calendar icon. Move it up. Give 20% scale to fit into hexagon. Delete rest of the part. Select the hexagon again and make a copy for second icon background. Right-click and copy. Paste it. Move this up to calendar icon. Then select the first hexagon clip and calendar icon. And right-click select compound clip. Select second hexagon and move right-hand side into preview area. Then bring the second icon into the timeline and move it up. Make it 20% scale. Split and delete rest of the part of second icon. Copy the second hexagon file again. For making third icon hexagonal background, then make it compound clip. Repeat the same steps for making for other similar icons with hexagonal background. Click on this hamburger menu. Select an option to export a still frame. Name the file Export to. Choose the destination folder. Choose the resolution 720px and down below, choose the format PNG. Import to project. Leave it like this. Then click on Export. This is final outcome stored into folder. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see your next video.